unlock it and one other person. Wow, okay. I creased my brow. They didn't give us Reborn's instruction manuals, so that's new information to me. So, it is possible for the whole guild to learn the same branch of magic, but not from the same person. Gerard chuckled. Everyone would know everything if everyone could teach everyone every magic tree they knew. The newfound knowledge shifted the perspective of a lot of things that had happened to me since I entered Eden's Gate. I felt a lot more thankful that Kronos, Jax's friend, and the dwarf who helped us in Grimora, had been willing to teach both Aaron and me divine magic. He had mentioned that he had just hit the threshold for teaching someone divine, so maybe he did it for me out of kindness, not expecting Aaron to demand training as well, and thus using up his other level 35 unlock. It was quite the gift. And then there was Enos. He must have really hated Gerard to be willing to part with fire magic and throw in 2 scrolls in exchange for me sabotaging him.